Welcome, dear students. This is in continuation of the nucleus seed and breeder seed. Now come to the foundation seed. This comes under the seed chain. This is the progeny of breeder seed. Means this is produced by using the breeder seed. The variety must be notified by the government of India because seed certification is must for foundation seed. So certification of seed is done by State Seed Certification Agency, SSCA. That is only on the basis of the notification of the variety by the government of India. So it is produced by the National Seed Corporation through the agriculture farms of ICR institutions, agricultural universities, state agriculture farms, and seed producing farmers also. So by help of these institutions and individuals, National Seed Corporation controls the seed production of foundation seed. So whosoever is going to produce, whether agriculture university has been requested by the National Seed Corporation or the ICR agriculture farm of ICR institution, or agriculture farm of state agriculture government, or even seed producing farmers, but they have to get registered for producing the foundation seed. They have to get registered by the State Seed Certification Agency by paying some fee. So Seed Certification Agency officer here used to do inspection of field as well as crop as well as the seed lot in this foundation seed. So it is not monitored by the National Seed Project Monitoring Team. It is monitored by wholesale monitoring. Monitoring is done by the State Seed Certification Agency officers. So once the seed producer is registering himself in the State Seed Certification Agency, then officer of the agency used to go to the field and used to see the field standard, whether that field is fit for the seed production, foundation seed production or not. So he used to see whether the particular seed producer is having the minimum requirements of field or not. Particularly they used to see the field condition, the fertility level, the approaching road for visiting the field, assured irrigation potential, and proper isolation distance, whether he can provide or not. And what is most important, another thing, the breeder seed, because the breeder seed production is regulated centrally. So everyone knows that how much seed has been produced by whom throughout the country, a particular variety. So the State Seed Certifying Agency officer used to see the tag, breeder seed tag, that how much quantity of breeder seed you have obtained for producing the foundation seed. So he used to see the tag also, the bag and tag also of the breeder seed. And depending upon the quantity of breeder seed you are having for producing the foundation seed, so how much area can be covered with that breeder seed. So he used to see all those things, the seed certifying agency. So after that, the seed certifying agency used to see the crop standard also, whether as per the minimum seed standard your field is meeting the crop standard or not, the purity of the seed plants in your seed crop, the off-type plants, the weeds, the infected plants, diseased plants, all those things are inspected by the seed certifying officer during different growth period. Once it is supposed that before flowering, during crop growing period, once they visit, and then for assuring the genetic purity and all crop standards, minimum crop standards, then at the time of flowering, then at the time of maturity, at least thrice, the seed certifying agency have to visit, and then at the time of processing, as well as seed packing, and then they used to take the sample of the lots, and then they used to take the samples to seed testing laboratory, and then they assure that whether the genetic purity, physical purity, inert matter, all minimum standard is being qualified that by this seed sample or not. If it is meeting everything, then seed certification agency approves the seed lot of foundation seed, and then they provide the tags, foundation seed tags, to the producer. So this is all about foundation seed. You can see the sample of foundation seed tag. The size should be 15 into 7.5 centimeters square. The color of the tag is white. If BHU is producing, then Banaras Hindu University at the top with the monogram of the BHU. Then crop, variety, class of seed, of course, class of seed is here, foundation seed. Class of seed is foundation seed. Then lot number you have to put, then date of test you have to put, then pure seed, minimum how much purity is required, minimum 98% purity, physical purity is required in foundation seed. Then inert matter, maximum 2% inert matter is admissible in this foundation seed. Genetic purity, minimum genetic purity must be 99.5%. Moisture content, maximum, depending upon different crops, it should be, of course, less than 10%. Net weight you have to write. Producing institution you have to write. Then the signature of the seed certifying agency, you can say, has to be put here, and of course it has to be written here, poison treated. Poison treated. So this is all about the foundation seed. So thanking you very much. I will be coming next with the next class of seed.